Today, we're going to tour 1638 West Desert Cove Avenue, Apartment B in Phoenix, Arizona. Welcome to this great 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom triplex with an oversized private yard and gate access to front parking. Step inside to discover a thoughtfully designed open floor plan that blends comfort with practicality. Recently repainted and move-in ready, it's the perfect space to settle into. Located just 3 miles from North Mountain Park and Preserve, and only 1.5 miles from I-17 at Peoria Avenue, commuting is a breeze. Plus, you're close to new dining and entertainment options. This charming triplex has the comfort and convenience you've been looking for. Schedule a tour today.